This is Straight Up with Dr. White. Who are you when the room changes? I'm talking about the club you, the church you, the gym membership you. You know. But living double doesn't produce whole results. Some of us are not fake, we're fragmented. But living double doesn't produce whole results. The Bible says that a double-minded man is unstable in all of his ways, and lukewarm isn't balanced, it's avoidance. On this episode of Straight Up with Dr. White, we are talking about the cost of compartments and the freedom that comes with alignment, because God doesn't bless versions of you, He blesses the wholeness of you. Join me as we open up and expose these episodes, starting with, who are you when the rooms change?